Saturdays used to feel like a break. Now they feel like a blur. Alex and Jess had 2 kids, 2 jobs, and zero breathing room. Saturday was errands, Sunday was dread. Talk. By Sunday night, they were more tired than they were Friday after work. I know that feeling, not from theory, but from life. I'm a mom, I'm finishing my doctorate, I'm an educator, and weekends were starting to feel like one more job. Why weekends burn us out. Here's what happens. You work all week and everything that didn't get done rolls into the weekend. Laundry, groceries, birthday gifts, party invites, clean the car, plan the week, return those shoes, oh, and also make memories. We expect weekends to restore us, but we treat them like a productivity test. The result? You don't feel rested. You feel behind. Again. The fix. The Core 3 method. Alex and Jess didn't need a new calendar. They needed fewer expectations. So they tried the Core 3 method. It's just this. Choose 3 anchors for your weekend. One family moment. Game night, pancakes, a walk. One reset chore. One load of laundry, not all 5. One personal hour. For each adult, solo time to read, nap, breathe. That's it. Core 3. The rest is optional, or extra, or can wait. Educator insight. Why this actually works. Here's what I know from the classroom, the research, and real life. Our brains can't recover in clutter. When you try to do it all on your off days, you never truly signal to your nervous system that you're safe, rested, regulated. Core 3 works because it narrows the focus. It protects your bandwidth and it gives structure, not pressure, to the weekend. This isn't just a time fix, it's a nervous system fix. Real life shift from burnout to breathing room. Alex and Jess didn't get it perfect, but by week 2, their weekends felt different. More laughter, less rushing, a real moment of pause. Sunday night became something they looked forward to, not feared. Closing, from one weekend warrior to another. You don't need to earn rest, you need to protect it. The Core 3 isn't fancy, but it's enough. One family moment, one reset, one personal hour. Try it next weekend. Start small. Let go of the rest. These aren't just tips, they're emotional oxygen for working parents, one fix at a time.